Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is class 11th and the subject is zoology. Our topic is white blood leukocytes. White blood leukocytes. Leukocytes. That means white blood cells. We write here white blood corpuscles. White blood corpuscles. That means they are also called the leukocytes. Leukocytes, leukocytes. We know that leukocytes do not have hemoglobin. Leukocytes do not have hemoglobin. Just as the RBC's hemoglobin, leukocytes does not contain hemoglobin. And if we see the number of leukocytes in the blood, we see here the number of leukocytes per microliter of blood. The leukocytes per microliter of blood is 6,000. It is called the total leukocytes. Firstly, we will see the number of leukocytes per microliter of blood is called total leukocytes. Total leukocytes. After that, total leukocyte count. The number of leukocytes per microliter of blood is called a total leukocyte count. Total leukocyte count. TLC. Total leukocyte count. This varies from 6,000 to 8,000. 6,000 to 8,000 mm cube of blood. Mm cube of blood. Thus they are less in number than the RBCs. We see here they are less in number than the RBCs, and also we write here the ratio of WBCs and the ratio of RBC in our blood is 1:600, such that rise in WBC count is thermozyte leukocytosis. You will see there the rise of WBCs in blood, it is called leukocytosis. Increased TLC, total leukocytes, shows that there is actual bacterial infection. We write here increased TLC shows increased total leukocyte count, it shows that there is acute bacterial infection. There is acute bacterial infection, and also abnormal increase of WBC is in, we write here, abnormal increase of increase of WBCs is in malignancies like MAG, LI, नहीं MALI malignancies, MALI, GNANCIES malignancies. Could there are chances of abnormal, when there is the abnormal increase of whatever is in, there is a malignancies, condition of malignancies like leukemia, which is called the blood cancer. If there is an increase of WBC count in our blood. In some conditions, such as folic acid deficiency. Sometimes, when there is a deficiency of folic acid, we write here, in some conditions, when there is a deficiency of, in some conditions, when there is the deficiency of folic acid, the total number of WBC decreases. The total number of dyed blood cells decreases. So we should mind it that the total count of WBC is useful in diagnosing various diseases. So we can say that this ratio of leukocyte to erythrocyte is 1:600. If we see here the next one, shape. If we see right here the shape of the leukocytes or WBCs. The leukocytes are rounded or irregular shape. The leukocytes are rounded or irregular in shape. Irregular in shape. They can change their shape like amoeba. Right here, they can change their shape like amoeba. So we can call that they are the scapula of amoeboid movement, and they show amoeboid. They are capable of amoeboid movement. Then after that, if we see here, this enables them to squeeze out of blood capillaries into the tissues This enable we write here. This enables when they show the immobile momentous. This enables they make able these leukocyte WBCs to squeeze out blood capillaries, to squeeze out of blood capillaries. When they squeeze out of the blood capillaries and they into the tissues, they reach into the tissues. So when they squeeze out of the blood capillaries and they enter into the tissues, this process called the diapedesis. The process is called the diapedesis. This process is called the diapedesis. So here, after that you see the size. We go number third. This is the number second. Number third, we write the size of the WBCs, white blood corpuscles or leukocytes. The WBCs are larger than RBCs. The white blood corpuscles are larger than red blood corpuscles. RBCs number one, and their size is from 12 to 20 micrometer. We write here their size is 12 to 20 micron meter. Then if we see the color, we write here number 4, color. If we write the color of the leukocytes or white blood corpuscles or WBCs, the WBCs are colorless. We write here the WBCs are colorless. They does not show any kind of color. After that, if we see their structure, what is the structure of WBCs? We know that WBCs are a leukocyte. It is also called leukocyte. Consists of cell membrane. We write structure. We write here the WBCs. WBC is the leukocyte or WBC white blood cells. Consists of cell membrane. Consists of cell membrane number 1, nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus and cytoplasm. So, and the cytoplasm contains mitochondria, Golgi aparatus, centrioles, beside the others. Now there are the types of WBCs. We write here the types. If we see the types, the leukocytes are of two main types. The WBCs are leukocytes are two main types. There are two main types. Number 1 is the granulocytes and granulocytes. Number 1 is granulocytes. GRANULOCYTES. Granulo cyts cytus. Number 2, granulocytes, granulocytes. So here, if we see firstly the granulocytes, we write here agranulocytes. Agranulocytes are not found in the cytoplasm of these cells. The agranulocytes are of two types. So we should know it here. Leukocytes are two main types, agranulocytes and granulocytes. If you see the agranulocytes, the granules are not found in the cytoplasm of these cells. So they are called the agranulocytes. And number second, agranulocytes is then it remains granulocytes. Then we should know it here that agranulocytes are of two types. Lymphocytes are of two types. Number 1 is the lymphocytes, and they are also made of the monocytes. They are made of the this. We should remember here that agranulocytes here. Agranulocytes, the granules are not found in the cytoplasm. We write here in agranulocytes, granulocytes, the granules are not found in the cytoplasm. Granules are not found in the cytoplasm, so they are called agranulocytes. And the agranulocytes are of two types. We write here the granulocytes are of two types. We write here that firstly they are these agranulocytes, they are made up of lymphocytes, and secondly they are made up of monocytes. And so their agranulocytes are two types. Number 1 is the lymphocytes, and number second is the monocytes. Tomorrow we will discuss what are lymphocytes and monocytes. Thank you.